first time ever, we have decided to revolutionize how family interacts with the water they drink. My name is Tiger, and I'm the creator of Tita, one of the first smart water filtering jugs designed as a new way to care for your family. Tita is designed from the highest quality materials. We did this to ensure that the health of your family is the highest priority.
Scientifically, we were determined to make Tita the safest water jug on the market. Our filtration system removes chlorine, impurities, and dramatically reduces TDS. Also, our reports show that Tita can remove trichloromethane and some heavy metals. What's more, it removes bacteria, something that many filtration jugs don't do.
Our filters use the flow meter. When the filter needs changing, you will receive a notification both on the Tita display as well as your smart device. Likewise, NFC technology allows Tita to accurately track each family member individually. This way, we can remind family members not only that they are drinking clean, healthy water, but also developing good drinking habits. This means Tita helps create a strong family bond. We truly believe that the crowdfunding community is the backbone for technology startups. As much, we would like for you to be the first to experience Tita. By helping to back it, you and your families will be the first to experience a more healthy lifestyle.
Which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and he will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Vobot. All we want is to
The ACH helmet addresses a long-held desire by riders who live in high-temperature regions. It is something that has long been fantasized about, but never effectively executed. The ACH was invented and designed by Feher and is the result of over 30 years of experience with thermoelectric technology and personal cooling.
When I designed this helmet, I knew that it would work before I even built the first prototype, because it's based on just sound, physical, and physiological principles.
By utilizing thermoelectric technology, the patented full-face Feher helmet powered by the motorcycle battery evenly distributes filtered, cool air freely throughout the entire interior of the helmet. The thermoelectric cooling module installed in the ACH is exactly the same cooling module utilized in thermoelectric personal cooling products invented and patented by Steve Feher and has been used in air-conditioned seats offered by Rolls-Royce, Lexus, GM, and various automobile manufacturers. Integrated with Feher's patented tubular space fabric and the comfort liner, the helmet provides consistent overflow for a cooler and more optimal riding temperature. As outside air temperature goes up, the cooling effects increase, cooling the user's head and helping decrease helmet condensation. Most importantly, by cooling your head, the Feher ACH-1 cools your entire body, giving you a more comfortable ride so you can enjoy your motorcycle longer.
Helmet industry has not seen big changes within the helmet itself. There's no real changes into the helmet side. Now, when I see this air conditioning helmet, I think this is a game changer in the helmet gear industry.
You don't really feel a specific cooling effect on your head, but your entire body feels like you're just more comfortable overall. And that's really the goal here. We don't want to give people ice cream headaches. We just want to make the motorcycle riding experience much more comfortable and enjoyable in warm weather.
Go further with Feher helmet and feel cool again. The Feher air-conditioned helmet is the world's first and only self-contained air-conditioned motorcycle helmet.